Hey, this is Pierre-Yves Delacote talking. Do you know that Word for the web, Word Online, call it whatever you want, is amazing. Let's see it in action. So here I have a document in my OneDrive actually, open it in the browser, and I can find the ribbon, I can find most of the feature I need. That's a no-brainer. But there are some features that you don't even have in the on the desktop. And one feature is Designer, the magic wand. So what is that? So let's click on it. And it shows me a lot of theme. I can find the theme I want to apply to my document, and in one click, boom, I have my new theme. That's pretty amazing. So there's not a lot of formatting here, but it can be very formatting depending on the theme you're choosing. So that's one thing, the Magic Wand Designer. Another thing you can do is actually, let's skip a page here, and you can dictate. I think that you can do it in the desktop, but it's a nice feature. So let's try to dictate into Word. It works like a charm. So that's another feature that can be very helpful. So another feature and is the editor feature. So you can see some suggestion about how you wrote your document. You can see grammar error. Um, so it will show you where the errors are. So here, same thing. I guess the suggestion is not really plural, but there was a suggestion here. I think I've solved everything almost. No, here Teams. Okay, Teams. It doesn't know that Teams is actually. It's not my fault. It's Microsoft fault. It's the name of a product. So you can say Teams is. So that can be helpful. Definitely, to me, it's very helpful when I work on documents to have it's just like Grammarly. It's a nice editor embedded into Word for the web, and actually it's embedded for Edge too. I have the same thing here in Edge. Very useful. Another thing, a lot of things are in somewhere else actually are in the insert ribbon. And I love this one. So this one is reuse files. What is that? So reuse files actually is looking uh, at your files in recent files you open. So you can see I've opened this one several times. And I can, even open a PowerPoint document. So let's see this one. What can I do with a PowerPoint document in a Word file? So maybe what I can do is to open the PowerPoint document. And, oh yeah, I can open the PowerPoint and see that. And maybe this capture will help me to explain something. Maybe this one. Also, I can add the slide directly here. Wow, and I have the slide without leaving Word for the web. If I just want to have a link to the deck, I can also add the link to the deck. Pretty amazing. So without leaving my document, I can browse to several other documents. So I'm not sure which one I can show you. Let's see if I can open a Word document that I can share with you. So let's take this one, for example. What if I open a Word document? What will show me? Can I insert all the document or part of the document? So let's see, this is a very simple document. So you can see here, it's seized as a paragraph. And when I over the paragraph, that's amazing. I can say, hey, I want just this paragraph. And boom, I have the paragraph. So without leaving the document, I can, navigate in other documents. I can even search for documents. I can even go, wherever I want on internet, searching for terms and including this term. I can also, what's interesting, you see there's online video here. So let's see if I have a video, maybe this video, I like this video. I just want to copy the video to the URL video, go back to my Word document and go here to see if I can insert an online video in a Word document. That will be surprising. I cannot do that in in Word Desktop. Here I can do it. I can do it. That's pretty amazing. So as you can see, there's a lot of features that you don't even have in the Word Desktop, but I engage everybody to explore all the features here. Those one are the nice one I found. I hope it was helpful. And as you can see, I have the link so I can come back in on this document and click on the link and I will see the link. So let's just try a last thing. What happens, because I never tested, so I'm gonna do it. If this feature doesn't work in Word Desktop, how it will react in a Word Desktop. So let's see that. So as you know, you can switch to Word Desktop if you have Word Desktop. By the way, you'll have other feature here if you just want to switch in reviewing, or if you just want to view the file but not make change, so you don't want to destroy the file, so you can block it by clicking on viewing. That's another feature that is very useful. So let's see, open in desktop app. And that's going to be the big surprise. Here, I have a capture of the picture of the video. Actually, I cannot click on the video. I can click on the link to the video, but I cannot click on the video. So it does a good job to integrate the slides, a link to the slides, so I can see there's a link to the PowerPoint slide. And I don't even know where it is, but I was able to grab it. So it's pretty powerful. The integration is pretty powerful and seamless. And what is also cool, as you can see, hopefully we can see it. I don't know, I'm not sure what it refreshed, but here I can look at the video directly into the PowerPoint, into the Word document, which is pretty amazing too. I cannot do that in the desktop client either. So I hope these tips was insightful, helpful. Definitely Word for the web is very, very powerful.